Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup GoPro footage to SD and cloud using Quik step-by-step clearly. Open the GoPro Quik application on your device. Connect your GoPro camera to your device using a USB cable or via Wi-Fi. If you are using a USB connection, select the camera from the list of devices. For a Wi-Fi connection, ensure that your GoPro's Wi-Fi is enabled and connect to the GoPro network. Once connected, the Quik app will automatically recognize your GoPro. In the main interface, navigate to the Import section. You will see a list of available media files on your GoPro. Select the footage you want to backup by tapping on the files. If you wish to select all files, choose the option for Select All. After making your selection, click on the Import button. The app will begin transferring your footage to your device's storage. Once the import is complete, check the files in your device gallery to confirm. Next, open your cloud storage application, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Log into your account if you haven't already. Create a new folder in your cloud storage for your GoPro footage. Go back to the gallery or file manager on your device. Locate the folder where your imported GoPro files are stored. Select the files you want to upload to the cloud. You can also choose the option to select all for easier uploading. Share or upload the selected files to the newly created folder in your cloud storage. Monitor the upload progress to ensure all files are successfully uploaded. After everything is uploaded, verify that the files are accessible from your cloud storage. Your GoPro footage is now safely backed up to both your SD card and the cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.